In this video, I'll show you how to display variants as separate product on your Shopify Horizon theme. In other words, we're going to split product variants like color, size into individual product listing on your collection page. As you can see, there are separate listings for each colors of the curtains: beige, pink, and white. The same applies to the shoes and vase. All variants are shown as individual products. Click on one to check it out. Yes, as you can see, this is now just one product listing for each variant. Before we dive into the actual process, let's make sure your Horizon theme is already set up on your Shopify stores. If you haven't set it up yet, go ahead and click the link in the top right corners of this video to get started with the Horizon theme setup. Once that's done, we move on to the NestScale Swatch variant images app to split your variants. Now, let's head over to your Shopify admin and get the NestScale Swatch variant images app installed. Go to the app section, search for NestScale Swatch variant images in the search bars. Click install to add the app to your store. I also leave the link in the description below for those who prefer to DIY. This app works on both free and premium themes and is compatible with all theme versions. For today, we'll focus on the Horizon theme. Here's how my default collection page looks right now. The blazers, curtain, dress, and shoes are all shown as one product with all variants inside. For example, the vase have 6 variants, but they all grouped in one product listing. Now I'm going to show you how to split this into individual listing. To do that, we go back to our NestScale Swatch variant images app. In the left sidebar of this app, you'll see a lot of features, but we focus on variant split. Click on variant split. A pop-up will appear. Go ahead and turn it on. Now you'll see our notifications for show option swatches and preview features. For now, just skip this. They don't matter on this video. Now we're on the main page. And we have how to display variants, where to display variants, additional options, and variant titles. First, I'm going to focus on how to display variants. I click show all variants, and just like that, all variants will now show up as separate product listing. Now let's explore other options. Show based on primary options. These options is based on which variants you want to show separately. I'm going to test with color and vase shapes as my primary option. As you can see now, the curtains are split by colors on the home page. When you click on one, you can see all other variant colors. Similarity, the handcraft vase split based on vase shape. However, for the dual vase, it doesn't split because the primary option is set to size. Now let's move on other options, hide based on primary options. This works in reverse. With these options, all variants are shown as separate products, except for the primary option you're choosing to hide. Let's go back to the home page and see how this works. Now, as you can see, color and vase shapes variants don't work anymore. They only appears on the product page. Next, we'll decide where to display the separate products. By default, the separate product listings show on all pages, but you can customize this. I chosen to display them on collection page, which is what I've been doing so far. So whenever you click on any products, the variant will only show on your collection page. Now let's try showing them on other page. Let's redirect to the home page, and now you'll see all the variant displayed there too. You can tailor how to display variants and where to display variants based on what works best for your business and conversion strategies. So now let's move on to additional options. So here we have show out of stock variants and show products without variants. One really useful feature is ability to show variants that are out of stock. This is great if you want to keep showing your products even if some variants aren't available for purchase. But you still want customers to know they are coming soon. Let's test my pink curtains, which is currently out of stock. When the out of stock option is turned off, only other colors showing up. But when I turn it on, the pink curtains show as well. Even though it's marked as sold out. This helps maintain visibility for all variants, but if you don't want to confuse customers, you can leave this turned off. For show products without variants, there are times when some of your products won't have variants. For example, my dress shoes didn't appear at first. Simply turn on and setting to display products without variants. And now my dress shoes are visible alongside the other products. So far, we apply global rules across all products. But what if you want to customize settings for a specific collection or even a single product? That's where the collection rules and product rules come in handy. For collection rules, this rule lets you customize settings for a specific collection. For example, I'm going to use my best-selling collections as an example. By default, it shows all variants as separate products, but I can change the display to match the default look for that collection. For product rules, if you want to apply setting to just one product, the product rules will have. For example, I'll choose curtain products. Which is showing all its colors separately. After applying the exception and refreshing the page, the product returns to its default look with the color grouped together. That's a wrap. So now you know how to display variants as serious product in Shopify Horizon theme. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out my other Shopify tutorial for tip and trick. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next one.